How did you end up in private equity?
Merrill Lynch was the only placement group in the business at that time. Had a meeting there and was, learned that a 2% management fee was much more interesting than 75 basis points on a long-only Southeast Asian equity mandate. We raised a little over $500 million in '98. I think it was probably, again, the largest Asian private equity fund. And then Indonesia blew up when the rupiah went from 2,000 to 20,000. And then the Americans came in and took.
That's the Asian crisis, correct?
Yeah, the Thai baht crisis.
Something similar going on in Sri Lanka right now.
Put a lot of groups in business. So when Harvard was the first money in, a lot of other well-known endowments would probably draft off of that, and the Jet GP would be funded. And I always remember he looked at the world. He divided his managers into 3 buckets: rising stars, established stars, and fading stars.
How do you evaluate the fading stars? I think that's more interesting.
The large, maybe more motivated by fee streams than carried interest.
Sure. What are you seeing out there in terms of the private equity and the venture capital world and how they're converging together?
We just had a group in yesterday, some very talented guys, and they're investing, in these newer companies doing seed Series A, anywhere from $250 to $1 million investments, and their whole periods are 3 to 9 months on average. These larger funds are coming in and just buying their assets, and they're making 3 to 4 times within a year.